TMEIC is a global leader in electrical and automation technology. Built on the proud history of Toshiba and Mitsubishi Electric, TMEIC continues its legacy of providing high-power, high-performance solutions to its customers around the world. With its headquarters at Tokyo, Japan, TMEIC operates through its subsidiaries with manufacturing facilities in India, Japan, USA, and China. At TMEIC India, our vision is to be the most valued integrated electrical and automations company in the country. Our focus is to achieve this vision through our innovative, high quality, and environmental friendly solutions. Today, customers are not looking at suppliers as just vendors. They are seeing them as partners. TMEIC's core technologies are built around rotating machines and power electronics. Our high quality, high efficiency, motor and VFD based solutions for the industry applications are the examples of our commitment towards this requirement. Our motto is to grow with our customers, and one of our valued customers, DCM Sriram's fertilizer plant at Kota, Rajasthan, is a true example where TMEIC and its parent companies partnered since 1960s to bring operational excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Manish Joshi. I will accompany you today to explore the businesses that collaborated to deliver the best of both worlds to their customers. When it comes to the adoption of industry solutions, our guest today truly represents a great example. We have with us a forward thinker, a problem solver, and a voracious reader, Mr. Vinay Mehta, Senior Vice President, DCM Shriram. Mr. Mehta has been with DCM for almost 39 years, and he will walk us through the company's growth and lay a ground report on how TMEIC accompanied them with their growth journey. We are honored to have you with us, Mr. Mehta.
Thank you.
Mr. Mehta, your company's legacy spans over a century. How did you bridge the gap between the conventional manufacturing values and the latest industry solutions?
Manish, this is an interesting question. We have our value system with the acronym called I ACT ON, where I stands for integrity, agility, customer centricity, teamwork, openness, and newness. We started in this complex, I think in the early 60s. We had almost all the electrical equipments from Toshiba. And then in mid 60s again, when we expanded into another business of fertilizer, we had Toshiba and Mitsubishi as the major suppliers for our electrical systems, including boilers and turbines and everything.
Mr. Mehta, collaboration is often a catalyst for innovation. So how do you see the relationship that DCM and TMEIC has built, sustained, and also which are the drivers that you expect TMEIC should continue for our future relationship?
Manish, right from early 60s, we have been dealing with Toshiba and Mitsubishi and right up to now. I can share some incidences which will give you some pointers towards where we would like our relationship to go ahead in future also. We bought some motors in mid 60s. It was a large 11 kV motor which failed in 1998. That is almost 28 years after its. So when we talked to Mitsubishi, the technology for making or repairing that motor had become very different.
I see.
So a normal vendor might have told us that we buy a new one. They appointed a person to get specially trained in that technology for 1 week. That person from Mitsubishi, he took that special training. He got all the equipments with him for repairs and came to us.
That's interesting.
So that dependability on a vendor is very important to relationship. Again, in 2005, we had a special requirement for equipment where its speed, its kilowatt was to change every day for 30 times. That time it became TMEIC. So we bought our first machine from TMEIC from Japan in 2004 or 5.
Okay.
So they really saw the process. They really went into depth, and then they gave us a design. where it is so sturdy that now it is almost 18 years and we have had touchwood, the performance is much better than we were hoping for. So what I see going forward is you should be working more and more closely with the customer so that you know the thing which you are offering is a long-term creates a long-term kind of relationship rather than a transactional thing.
Yeah, we are really overwhelmed to hear your response, Mr. Mehta, and it's really motivating for us that your expectations is that TMEIC should further collaborate more and more and get into the conversations of not a one-time transaction, but a kind of a bonding that we cherish for the years together. Thank you very much for your feedback.
Thank you so much, Manish.
Now let's hear it from Mr. Matsushima Hirikazu, Senior Executive Vice President TMEIC India, who will sum it up with a comprehensive overview of TMEIC positioning within the tech-forward markets.
We aim to contribute to India's rapid economic growth and the development of a social infrastructure by offering highly reliable products and comprehensive customer support in various areas. These include high voltage motor and inverter systems that promote the development of industrial plants such as steel, oil and gas, cement, and other sectors, as well as the advancement of social infrastructure such as power generation and water. Going forward, we will support the accelerating global energy transition toward hydrogen and ammonia and the shift to carbon neutral market. We aim to achieve it by working with our global operation to supply rectifier for hydrogen generation, battery energy storage system for solar and wind power, high capacity motor and drive system for compressors, and power quality solution by multiple power compensators. Our aim is to drive industry towards achieving a carbon neutral society.